in Carthay Circle right now in California Adventure because a bunch of characters are coming out to meet like right about this time. So we met Daisy, we met Donald, and then Goofy and Mickey are supposed to be coming out here shortly too. So we're watching and we're waiting because they don't have like a specific spot, it's just like in this area. So we're waiting for them to come out.
You look
beautiful. I love the flower on your hat. It all looks good. Donald was hilarious, like looking in the window, and he was like, Josh missed it, but he like pointed at his shirt and he was like, #1.
No, I got that.
Oh, you did?
Pretty sure.
It was so funny though. And then Daisy was super cute. And I really wanted to just meet these characters in Carthay Circle area because they have different outfits on that they normally do. And I love meeting the characters that are dressed differently than just their classic outfits. Look at him! Look at Goofy! Thank you! You look so spiffy! I love it! Good. Make sure you get a shot of those shoes. Look at those! You're awesome. Can I get one more picture? We're gonna meet Mickey Mouse. Hi! You like? Yeah, it's got you on those. Yeah, your outfit is so good. Yeah?
They look great. Nice big smiles.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Are you gonna check in the mirror, make sure it looks good? Let me get a close up. Oh, that's very close. I put it on portrait mode. Perfect. We just had some awesome character interactions. Mickey Mouse was like checking himself out in the mirror, making sure he looks good for his picture. Now we are gonna go into Elias & Co. And if you didn't know, Elias is Walt Disney's middle name. But we're gonna go in here and we're gonna check out some of the merch because we need some Disneyland stuff.
I like that, that's pretty cool. Mind you, we haven't left DCA yet today.
We have not.
We haven't ridden all the attractions here, but we've ridden pretty much the big ones, I would say.
Yeah.
And it's about 2 o'clock. We are now going to ride
Radiator Springs Racers
for the third time, which is awesome.
The first time we did it, we came straight here for the extra magic hour that we had this morning, did that first, and then we got Max Pass and we booked it as our first Fast Pass for 9:30 this morning. And then this afternoon, we did a bunch of other fast passes.
Yeah.
I booked the Goofy roller coaster that's over there, and it actually got closed. So now we have like a multiple experience fast pass, and it can be used for anything, including this. So that's what we're going to use it for.
That's what we're going to do. We lost. It's our third time riding this and we finally got our picture. Alright, well, I guess we're going to try and end this video right here. I don't know how these are going to be broken up. It might be a big old mix match.
We're gonna figure it out when we start editing, basically.
Yeah.
All of the dining reviews will obviously be separate, but the days we're in the parks and that sort of thing, we're not sure how we're gonna break all that up, but we're gonna figure it out. I think this was a pretty good first day at Disney's California Adventure.
Yeah.
We haven't gone over to Disneyland yet, but I think we're actually gonna do that later tonight, which you will see another time.
Whenever it gets posted, who knows? I will add this, if anybody is interested, we are doing a group cruise in the Caribbean on Royal Caribbean. It is sailing January 26th to February 2nd. If you're interested at all, I encourage you to fill out the form below because rooms are filling up fast. And when they're gone, I don't know if we're going to be able to get them at the same rack rate. So keep that in mind. It is a group cruise and we will be there and it's going to be a ton of fun. So